Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys how to connect Wi-Fi in our Samsung phone. Friends, you want to connect your Wi-Fi in your Samsung phone. So how can you connect your Wi-Fi network in your Samsung phone? In this video friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to connect Wi-Fi. Friends, you can see your connection setting. Friends, tap here. Guys, click on your Wi-Fi setting. Guys, you want to on your Wi-Fi, you want to off, you can on and off from here. So we will on Wi-Fi to connect. After on guys, you can refresh. After refresh guys, you can see your Wi-Fi network. So I have got this Wi-Fi, so I will tap here to connect. So I will enter guys Wi-Fi password. So guys, enter your Wi-Fi password, and guys you want to check your password guys, you can check from here, and guys you can see this connect option guys, tap here to connect. After 4 and 5 seconds guys, Wi-Fi will connect in your Samsung phone, and guys you can use it. Guys you can see connected. So friends, now we can use guys Wi-Fi. You don't have guys your mobile data, so friends you can connect Wi-Fi. Then guys you can operate your phone. You can use online apps. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye friends.